You own an Infiniti, and you need a body shop that's factory certified by Infiniti to quickly and thoroughly repair your vehicle to its safe pre-collision condition. Because our number one priority is your safety, at Eddie's Body Shop, we work with your insurance, but we work for you. We care about you and your Infiniti beyond what your insurance company pays. All auto body shops are not the same. If you have an accident, you need to know that your vehicle will be repaired properly at the best price the first time. When you bring your Infiniti in for repairs, you'll be able to enjoy a free loaner car to keep moving stress-free. When life happens, whether it's a little paint damage or a serious repair, you can be confident that we'll get you back on the road and your life back to normal in no time. You'll get modern collision repair with old-fashioned attention to detail. We make sure you get the right parts at the right value at the best quality no matter what. When your Infiniti needs quality collision repair, there's only one body shop in Wichita you can count on. Eddie's Body Shop.